Hello students, this is Mr. Trong here. I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to take your essay content in your outline and pasting it over to a Google Doc that's been formatted in MLA so you could submit it as a final draft. So, what you're going to do is we're going to create or bring open in another tab our essay in the outline itself. So make sure your essay outline is open in a separate tab. What we're going to do is we're going to look at week 8 specifically. We're going to click on this link right here that says pre-formatted MLA essay template. What that's going to do is it's going to redirect us to a button, and you're going to notice that's asking you to make a copy of this document. Please go ahead and do so. You're going to notice that the name of this document is rename this document. So let's rename it to explanatory essay final draft. Now, you're going to notice that there are some things to change here, as well as some text for you to read. Essentially, what I want to do is I want to start replacing the ones that I can adjust. So up on the top right, I'm going to put my last name. The reason why is because this header is going to basically display my last name and the page number to give me credit for every page that I wrote on here. Over here, I'm going to put my name, so Mr. Trong. You're going to put your teacher's name, in this case, Mr. Trong. And then you're going to put the class name and period. If you're in honors, you're going to put an H after this. Otherwise, you could just put English 10 and then period and then put your period number. As for the date, we're all used to putting something along the lines of month, day, and then year. However, in MLA format specifically, we do day, month, and then the year. So something to remember. To continue, when you are typing your paper here, you're going to want to press tab. In this case, it's already indented for you, so you do not have to press tab again. But you're going to essentially delete this text once you read it. However, it does show you the instructions that I'm going to go over today. So if you go over to your outline, let's say you want to copy all this text right here, right? You're going to press or hold Control C, and then if you press Control V here, that's not what we wanted. It pasted the box. So it is important that when you are pasting, you are holding Control, left shift, and then you press V. So again, that's holding Control, Shift, and V. Left shift is the most convenient. You can use your ring finger to hold it while your pinky finger goes on the control. But by doing that, what I have just done is I have basically pasted the text in the format that's already on this document. Because if I just regular paste it, it'll look like this. However, if I paste it according to the format, it's going to look like that. If there is no indent, please make sure that you press tab to indent it. But once you copy and paste all your paragraphs, just make sure the formatting is proper. We got double space, we got indent, we have a line of space in between each paragraph. Once you've done that, you are basically set to go on the top right, making sure that anyone with the link can edit. You're going to click copy link, done, and then we're going to go over to the explanatory essay summative over here, go all the way down, and then web URL, paste it, and then submit the assignment. Or what you could do is you can go to File, Download, PDF, download the document, and then upload it through Canvas, and then press Submit Assignment. Please make sure to double check the rubric to make sure your essay follows all of the exceeds category properly. That way you can receive a good grade on this.